Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out CORTIS FaSHioN. I heard clips of it on TikTok already. It sounds crazy. CORTIS have been really interesting. Ever since debut or pre-debut, they've been interesting. They've definitely got my attention, and I'm excited to check this out. They released their EP or mini album or single album. I'm not even sure what it is. But they got a lot. They got hella potential. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people know that as well. Well, without further ado, be sure to check out my Patreon. We just went live on Patreon checking out K-pop. Go check it out. Go subscribe. You can follow, become a member. It's free, and you can subscribe for $1 to support your boy. All right. Well, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. FaSHioN. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh damn, we up in the snow. Oh, what? Oh shit! What's happening? Yeah. FaSHioN. Hey. Whoa. Let's go. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Fresh. Okay. Damn, what a shot that is. Vintage Jesus. What are we talking about? I just tapped back in. Dang, turn this bitch up. Yeah. What? Hey. Like Bezos. FaSHioN. Okay. Oh, what is that hat? Hey. Get it. Yeah. Damn, this got me pumped up. Samana. What we doing? Damn, this shot with the snow, the mountains, is crazy. This too. Hey. Okay. FaSHioN. Yeah. I already know this is gonna be crazy lit live. Oh, that was a constant like lit song. Period. All right, CORTIS. FaSHioN. Now there's some of the lyrics I have to like really go through as well. I think it's just the beat itself. It's beautiful. Don't really like the shout out to Bezos, but you know, I get what they're meaning. Like they want to get that trillions. I like that the vision's billions though. My vision. What's up? FaSHioN. Hey. Yeah, yeah. Get it, get it. Damn, what is this production for a music video like the? It's so beautiful out here. That ice, that snow. What? This shot right here, the silhouette's crazy too. So simple. Wrap it up. Woo. Woo. Hey. FaSHioN. Yeah, let's go. FaSHioN. This part, now I've seen clips of this with this hat is crazy. It says this fashion is crazy. I like the shot too over here. The darkness shot, like right here, like how it's all dark right here and just lit up right there. Cop. Hey. Well, this tall ass. Yeah. Hey. Semana. Bro, I don't even move this much. But this song. Hey. This got me up. FaSHioN. It's a fun song. I'm having fun with it. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy is checking out CORTIS extra content on my Patreon. I think I posted up. You guys want to go check it out? It's up right now. CORTIS profile outside the lines inside your playlist. That was interesting. Just to get to know what do you call it? Who they are as individuals, because they definitely got my attention. But let me know, or some recommendations you want me to check out. I think they've posted some stuff before. I had fun with it. Definitely get turned to this. Definitely gonna be added to the playlist. And yeah, thank you guys for subscribing, supporting. Be sure to check out the Patreon, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, everything. Yeah. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.